Now, briefly, I will present irrigation, let's say by seasons or depending on temperatures. Specifically, in spring, we usually irrigate once or twice a week with about 10 to 15 liters per square meter, up to approximately 22 to 23 degrees Celsius. In summer, when we also have heat waves, we can do 2 or 3 irrigations per week with 20 to 25 liters per square meter at over 27 degrees Celsius. But if there is a heat wave, and depending on the type of lawn, substrate, location, basically what I was telling you earlier, we can irrigate even every 2 days and the requirement can be higher, up to 30 liters per square meter. Here I have to make a note. It's better to irrigate every 2 days than to water superficially and daily. Your lawn will thank you for this. Then in autumn we do 1 or 2 irrigations. Basically, we copy what we do in spring with the mention that as we get closer to winter, we reduce both the number of irrigations and the liters per square meter.